Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to a new video. I hope you're all having a lovely day. Today I am doing like the biggest H&M haul ever. Like, it is huge. There's about 3 orders here because basically I was on a spending ban. I was like, I don't need any more coats or jumpers, you know, don't need to buy any more clothes. And then I was just like watching TV and I was scrolling through the H&M like new in bit on their app, just because I like to keep kind of up to date with what's coming into stores. And there was just so much stuff I liked, so I just kept on adding it to the basket. And then I looked at the basket and it was like £700 worth of clothing. And I'm not sure why, but I ordered it. So yeah, that is what I've got for you today. I'm going to be trying everything on. Obviously, I'm not keeping everything. When I do an online order, I feel like most people, you order lots, you try it all on, and you kind of send half back. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today. I will try everything on for you guys, tell you all about the sizing, the pricing, all of that good stuff, like how I would style the items. So yeah, I really hope you enjoy this video. I'll make sure to link everything I try on in the description box in case you want to go pick anything up. And yeah, let's get on with video. Okay, so this jumper is the first thing I picked up. It is £24.99 and I'm wearing a size small. I think it's such good quality, especially for the price. I love the kind of like longer jumpers, especially when wearing kind of leggings and things like that, just because I find it's a bit weird to wear like short jumpers and leggings. I find it really unflattering on me. But let me go back and you can kind of see the full outfit. So I just paired it with my Topshop leather leggings and then some boots. And this is the kind of thing like I wear all the time. And then I'd either probably chuck on like a leather jacket over the top, or maybe like a white coat or a teddy coat, something like that. I think the thickness of this jumper is great. I feel like it's not too thick to the point where it's like hard to put coats and stuff over the top, but then it's not too thin that it's like really cold and cheap. But yeah, you could definitely layer tops underneath if you did want to be a little bit warmer. So this is probably the first way I'd style it. I've got the leather leggings and then the black boots. I've just chucked on this little leather jacket which is from Zara. Obviously you could change this up for like a thicker black aviator coat if you did want to be a little bit warmer. And then I just have my little black Teddy Blake bag as well. Okay, and then this is the other way I would style it. So I've got on this white coat from Topshop and then just this little like crossbody bag from the Couples. Obviously I'd put the coat like actually on if I was going to wear it, but I want you to be able to kind of see the jumper still underneath, and obviously if I put the coat on you won't be able to see the jumper, you know what I mean. Okay, and then this is the grey version on. So I got this one in an extra small, so it fits slightly smaller than the other one, but I feel like there's not really much difference. They are part of the H&M Conscious range, which means I think they're made up of like 52% recycled polyester, which is amazing. But I'm gonna maybe chuck on like a grey coat over the top or like a white one and show you guys what that looks like. Okay, so this is one way I'd style it. I've got on this gorgeous grey coat which is from I Saw It First. I think it's like £35 and it's such a good coat. It's like lined on the inside, super warm. It's got the kind of like massive pockets. I absolutely love pairing kind of 2 shades of the same colour. So obviously we've got the coat and then the grey jumper. It would also look great if you was doing like the camel jumper and then you put a camel coat over the top. I'll put a picture up here of me wearing like a similar kind of camel on camel outfit, so you can get an idea of what I mean. But I always think they look amazing and like super easy to kind of put together, and you look like you've made loads of effort. So yeah, this is the first way I would style it. But I also think it looks amazing paired with like a black aviator jacket as well. This one is from Boohoo, but it's like super old. So I will try and find a similar one and link it down below. But yeah, I think this is a really nice pairing as well. It's going to keep you super warm because like the inside of this is all kind of fur lined. And obviously you could put like a long sleeve top underneath if you did want to be like super warm, add like a scarf, hat, gloves, and you'd be great in like whatever climate you're in. But yeah, let me know what you think. And let's move on to the next item. Okay, so speaking of aviator jackets, the next item I picked up is this amazing one here. So it's in that kind of like black oversized aviator coat style, and then it's lined on the inside with this like beautiful kind of like creamy beige faux fur, which is honestly so soft. Like, it is, yeah. I'm gonna try and find out the price. Let me have a look quickly because it's not on like the tag. Okay, so it's $69.99 and I've got it in a size medium just because I think if you're going to get an aviator coat or jacket always size up, like unless it looks super oversized on the model. I think they always look so much better oversized, and it means you can fit jumpers and stuff underneath. So I will put this on quickly and show you guys how I would wear it. Okay, so this is the jacket on, and I've actually styled it up with this white jumper here, which is from this haul as well, so I'll speak about this in a second. But yeah, this is what the Aviator jacket looks like on. I absolutely love it. It is so like warm and cozy. Maybe I'll like actually put it on so you can kind of see the like fit of it. So yeah, be back in a second. Okay, so this is what it looks like on. Like I said, I always recommend getting these a little bit oversized. I think if I would have got a smaller size, it would have been too small. Like, I think the medium is perfect. I mean, I probably could have gone up to a size large and it would still look okay. So yeah, definitely size up. But I just think they're so like cozy and cute on. Put a little like beanie on with it, and maybe like a scarf. And again, I've just paired it with my Topshop leather leggings and these boots, which as you can see, they're like my favourite things to wear recently. I just feel like they go with everything, so I will be linking these down below as well. I mean, the boots are old Topshop, but I'll try and find like an identical pair and link them down below. I think these kind of jackets are so easy to style. It's basically like a leather jacket but a winter version. So pair it with like blue jeans and black boots. I also think that would look really nice. But yeah, let me know how you would style it, and let's move on to the next item. Okay, so next up I have the white jumper that I've got on. I think this is $34.99 and I have it in the extra small because it looked quite oversized on the model. But I absolutely love this. The first thing I love about it is the fact that it's white and not cream. I've liked so many like jumpers and knitwear pieces are always cream and not white, and I absolutely love white for winter. I feel like it looks really kind of crisp and snowy and just lovely and nice. Yeah, you get the point. Okay, so I've just thrown over my Zara wool camel coat, which is one of my favourites. I'll try and link this down below if they still have it. If not, I will find one that's similar and link that. And again, I've got my little Kooples bag, which I love. We'll link this down below as well, along with everything else. But this is kind of how I would wear it. But I also think there's so many like other ways you could as well. Pair it with like maybe the black Aviator jacket on top, or you could do blue jeans. I think blue jeans and like a white jumper always looks so nice. And maybe chuck on like a white coat or a camel coat over the top. But yeah, I just wanted to give you kind of one outfit idea as to how I would personally style it, just so you can get an idea of like what it looks like as an outfit. I feel like I'm talking too much at the moment and just repeating the same thing. So yeah, I will move on to the next item now and show you guys what that looks like. Ooh, I might change it up for the next outfit and put on this gorgeous dress here, and show you guys what that looks like, because I've been doing a lot of like knitwear at the moment. So yeah, I bought this in a size 8, and let me have a look on my phone quickly and find the price. I just need to find it. Where is it? Okay, so it's $39.99, and I think I might actually pair it with these over the knee boots, which I also picked up in this video. These are $39.99 as well. I will put them on together and show you what the whole look looks like on. So this is what the dress looks like on, and I've paired it with the over the knee boots. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Like, I really like the pairing. I'm just not sure on the dress. The boots are a definite no, just because they're quite baggy, like around my kind of thigh. And I know they'll fall down, like even though they have a tie at the top, they're just a little bit too baggy. But I do have quite slim legs, I would say, so I feel like that won't be a problem for everyone. But yeah, this dress, it is super cute. Let me try and show you it up close. It almost has like a polka dot pattern, but it's like a velvety polka dot, if that makes sense. I'm really hoping you can see it. I'll try and edit the settings on my camera in a sec and show you it kind of up close. But it is like gorgeous, like it feels really nice on, and then it has the kind of elastic which cinches you in at the waist, so it is super flattering. Next item I have are these really cute little like faux leather shorts. So I've got these in a size 8 and they're $19.99, which I think is such like an affordable price. I feel like they fit really well around my waist. I've just paired it with this little like white kind of basic top, which I think is from Zara, and I think you could throw on like a pair of heels and then just have a little bag, and it'd be great for kind of going out on like a night out or to a bar or something. But I also think it would look really cute paired with like maybe tights, boots and a little jumper. Maybe I'll like put that on quickly and show you guys what that would look like as a look, just so you can kind of see how you can dress them up but also wear them like super casual. Okay, so I've now just put it on with this camel jumper, some tights and some boots, which I feel like is a little bit more weather appropriate for like the weather going on at the moment. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys like different ways you can wear it, how you can kind of make it more casual or more dressy. So let me know what look you prefer. This jumper I think is from Monkey, so I will link it down below, but if I'm being honest, it's the most itchy thing ever. Like, you have to wear a long sleeve top underneath it if you're going to wear it, otherwise it will annoy you so much. And then the tights are just obviously tights that I probably had for about 10 years, which I used to wear back in school. I feel like tights are just not something I wear that often now. And then boots are the same, Topshop boots, and my little Couples bag. So yeah, this is the casual everyday look. And obviously you could put on a little coat, or what coat would I put on with it? I feel like you could either do like a little camel coat like this and kind of wear it like that, or you could do like an aviator jacket, maybe like this one that I showed you earlier. Let's see what this looks like on. Let me have a look. Yeah, or you could wear this with it, or I'm not sure if the cream really goes, so maybe like an all black one would look better, just if you wanted to be a little bit warmer, or just a plain black coat would also look great. But yeah, let's move on to the next item. Okay, so the next items I picked up from H&M are these trousers and then also this jumper. So the trousers I think were £19.99, which I think is like an amazing price. And they have them in like quite a few different kind of patterns and colours. But I just picked up this kind of like navy blue pair with almost like a camel kind of checkered pattern running through it. I feel like that makes sense. And then this top, I think this was like £12.99, which again I feel like is such a good price. That's one of my like favourite things about H&M, is that everything is super affordable. Again, it comes in so many different colours, but I picked it up in this kind of like dark camely like tan brown shade. And I have this in an extra small I think. And then the trousers I picked up in a UK size 10. I do actually have a camel coat that I wore the other day with it, so I might put that on and show you guys kind of the completed look. Okay, so this is the look all together. So this is my Zara coat. I feel like you guys have seen it a million times. And then I've just got my Couples bag, which again I feel like you've seen so many times. But yeah, this is kind of how I wore it the other day. So it's like super casual, really comfy and cozy. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this outfit. I'll leave everything linked in the description box, and let's move on to the next items. Like I said, I went a little bit crazy with the knitwear pieces. Obviously don't plan on keeping all of them, but I just wanted to like try a bunch on and see kind of what are my favourites. So next one I picked up is this camel jumper. So it has the roll neck, but what I loved about it are these sleeves. So they have these little like pearl detailing on them, which I think is super cute. And then price wise I think this was £19.99, which is such a good price. And then size wise I think I got this in a size small. Yeah, so I'll put it on quickly and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this is the jumper on. As you can see, it fits very oversized. I was not expecting it to be this big. I feel like it fits more like a medium or a large. But yeah, like let me show you it tucked out. This is kind of the length of it. I mean, it is a nice jumper, but yeah, it's a little bit mess, so I will be returning this jumper, but I'll link it down below in case any of you are interested in it. Okay, and then the next jumper I picked up, like I said, it's a lot of knitwear, is this cream one here. I'm not sure on the price. I have like the most massive kind of receipt, but it's really hard to find all the items on it and like what is what. So I will try and like screenshot a page on the website and put it up here so you can see the price. But this one has like the pearl detailing on the kind of neck, if you can see, and I've got this in a size small. Okay, so this is the cream jumper on. I've just got it on with the same trousers, but it's such good quality. Like, it's super thick and warm and cozy, not itchy at all. That's like my favourite thing about H&M knits, is that I've literally never found one that's itchy on me. But yeah, let me show you it up close so you can kind of see it. I'm not really sure how you do the neck, because if you're going to see like all the kind of pearl buttons, it looks like this, but I feel like it's a little bit too much, so I'm not sure if you're supposed to like fold it over or what. I don't know, but I've just tucked it into those same trousers. But I also think it would look really nice with like blue jeans or black jeans. But yeah, I'll leave it in the description box in case you want to go pick it up. Okay, so that is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed seeing everything I picked up. Of course, I will link everything in the description box. And yeah, I will see you in my next one. Bye!